Our journey begins where nature meets innovation.
Frogs have long played a key role in ecosystems.
Today, farming ensures balance and protects wild populations. Clean environments are essential for healthy breeding.
Life begins here, as small swimmers grow day by day.
A remarkable transformation. Nature's engineering. Every step monitored with scientific precision.
Controlled spaces provide safety and sustainability.
Shelter and hydration keep them stress-free.
Natural food sources ensure premium quality.
Only healthy individuals are approved for sourcing.
Careful handling reduces stress and protects skin integrity.
Modern logistics maintain highest welfare standards.
A short, regulated journey to the factory begins. A world-class facility built for precision.
Hygiene and safety are strictly enforced.
Uniformity ensures consistency in premium fashion.
Tiny details determine whether a skin becomes luxury.
Traceability from farm to final product.
Modern tanning preserves natural texture.
Recycling minimizes environmental impact.
Patience defines craftsmanship.
Feel and flexibility, a signature of frog leather.
Color penetrates deeply for lasting beauty.
Technology ensures uniform perfection.
Strength measured to luxury standards.
Only the finest continue forward.
Luxury begins on the drawing board.
Unique patterns, no two skins alike.
Human skill adds soul to every piece.
Every curve refined like jewelry. Fragile surfaces demand delicate handling. Hours of labor for a single masterpiece. Luxury is defined in every detail.
Quality, inside and out.
Only flawless items earn the label.
Compact elegance.
A touch of exotic sophistication.
Where fashion meets durability.
A material that attracts global designers. Status crafted from sustainable origins.
Frog leather protecting luxury. The world demands uniqueness.
Here, craftsmanship meets elite customers.
Luxury speaks without words.
A business that supports local livelihoods.
Wow, Riley.